In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jira on Windows. We'll walk through the full process of downloading the Jira installer from the official Atlassian website, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you know you're in the right place at every step. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows machine. In the address bar, go to your favorite search engine and type "Download Jira on Windows." Press enter. You should now see a list of search results. What you're looking for is the official Atlassian link for downloading Jira Software Server. It will usually mention Atlassian in the URL and say something like, "Download Jira Software Server." Click on that result to open the Atlassian download page for Jira. This page is where Atlassian provides installers for different operating systems. You may see several tabs or buttons that let you choose between platforms such as Windows, Linux, or OS X. On some versions of this page, you might initially see an option for OS X highlighted. That simply means the site is currently showing the Mac installer. Since we're installing on Windows, we don't need the OS X option, but it's helpful to know that these multiple platforms exist in case you ever need to install Jira on another operating system. Next, look for the Windows option on the same page. This is usually shown as a separate tab or button labeled Windows. Click on that Windows option to switch the download view from OS X to the Windows installer. After you click it, the page should clearly indicate that you're about to download a Windows installer file, typically an executable file with a .exe extension. Once you've confirmed you are on the Windows tab, find the main download button. This button is often prominent and may include the Jira version number. Click on Download. Your browser will now start downloading the Jira Software Server installer for Windows. Depending on your browser settings, it might ask you to confirm the download location, or it may automatically save the file to your default downloads folder. After the file finishes downloading, you're ready for the next phase: running the installer and going through the Jira Setup Wizard on Windows. We'll cover that in another video. For now,